This is going to be a taste test. We have this Chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole. I don't know, but I don't think I ever had this type of casserole before. So let's get started with this taste test video. So here we go. Let's get started.
You okay?
It tastes good. I like the Chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole. It tastes good. This one tastes pretty good. Has broccoli on it, so yeah.
So I should make it again? Okay.
That's fine. That's all I gotta say with this taste test video. Thanks for watching. Peace.